Welcome back to Learning with Miss Kerr. We have made it through yet another week of virtual learning. This week we're going into the week of April 20th through April 24th, 2020. So this week for math, we're going to be adding objects up to 10. I'm going to say our content objective, and I want you to repeat after me. I will add numbers up to 10 using the symbols plus and equal. So our language objectives for this week will be I will add objects using the number sentence blank plus blank equals blank, or blank plus blank is equal to blank. But before we get into that, I want us to practice counting forward to 10. Okay, can you count to 10 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Give yourself a round of applause. Now, I want us to look at our anchor chart. Mr. Chad, add. This is our addition symbol. This is what we use when we want to add. So today we're going to be adding up to 10. So we'll be saying the plus sign very often today. So when you add, you're adding things together, you're joining things together, you're seeing how many in all, and then you're getting the sum of all the objects. Okay, so the Mr. Chad, he's saying I put things together. So we're gonna see what type of things he puts together. So some of our addition strategies that we're gonna talk about today is our 10 frame. So our 10 frame, it helps us to add things, because if it's a 10 frame, only 10 objects can go inside of it. So right here we have 3 stars and 2 circles. So we would say 3 plus 2 equals 5. And we know it's 5 because we count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another strategy is drawing a picture. So we have 2 plus 2. And then we drew 2 hearts up under that 2. Then 2 hearts up under this 2. So if we count the hearts, how many will we have in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore 2 plus 2 equals 4. So next, our last strategy that we're going to use is counting with our fingers. So on this hand, we have 1 finger up. And on this hand, we have 4 fingers up. So we will have 1 plus 4 equals 2 blank. So count with me. How many fingers do we have up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would have 1 plus 4 equals 5. And we know that because we used our fingers to count. First, we're going to talk about our 10 frame. Remember, we said this is a 10 frame. And we know it's a 10 frame because it has 10 spaces. So count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first problem we're going to talk about using our 10 frame is 4 plus 2. So now, if you can see there, it already has 4 fishes inside of the 10 frame submarine. So if we add 2 more, how many will we have in all? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. We should have 6 fish. So therefore, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Our next problem we're going to look at is 5 plus 4. So if you can see in the submarine 10 frame again, there are 5 fish. And if they add 4 more, we're going to see how many we have left. So add 4 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've added 4 more fish into the submarine. So now let's count and see how many we have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there should be 9 fish inside of the submarine 10 frame. So therefore, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Good. Now we're going to get into adding with pictures. So first we're going to talk about the problem 2 plus 3. There should be 2 fish. And then 3 more came along. So if we count all the fish, we should have how many in all? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, our problem is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now we should have 6 fish and 1 fish that's a different color. So that would give us the problem of 6 plus 1 is equal to blank. So can you count all the fishes with me to see how many fish there are in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there should be 7 fish in all, giving us the problem 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. If you got all these problems right so far, kiss your brain. Good. Now we're going to get into adding with our fingers. We're going to add with our fingers. So the first problem we have is 4 plus 4. So we should have both of our hands up. Do you have your hands up? Good. So when we add with our fingers, we just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we know 4 plus 4 equals 8. So now I want us to hold up 5 fingers on one hand and then 2 fingers on the other hand. So this will be 5 plus 2 is equal to what? Can you count for me? You should have 7. This is 7 fingers. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Thank you for tuning in to this week's math episode. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me via Dojo, email, call my cell phone, leave a message in the comments. I'm pretty much always available. Bye.